RV Life Cleanup Made Simple. Top sewer hose kits that protect your rig and make dumping easy. First, Camco RhinoFLEX 15-foot sewer hose kit. Priced around $35 to $50, the RhinoFLEX 15-foot collapsible hose includes a 4-in-1 clear elbow for easy alignment and monitoring. Its collapsible design stores compactly, and the clear elbow helps you see flow during emptying. If you want a beginner-friendly, reliable hose for routine use, this one balances price and practicality. Second, Camco RhinoEXTREME Heavy-Duty Kit. At about $55 to $80, RhinoEXTREME ramps up durability with abrasion-resistant materials and swivel fittings to reduce strain during dumping. It's built for longevity and tougher conditions, great for frequent RVers who want fewer replacements and better handling in rougher campsites. Third, Valterra Clearview Universal Adapter. For roughly $15 to $25, the Valterra Clearview Rotating Elbow is a smart add-on that lets you watch tank flow and ensure a clean disconnect. It's an inexpensive upgrade that increases visibility and control while emptying, handy for careful RV owners who value leak-proof confidence. Fourth, Camco Rhino Ultimate RV Sewer Hose Kit. Priced around $60 to $90, the Rhino Ultimate comes as a complete kit with robust hose, high-quality fittings, and extras to simplify setup. It's aimed at owners who want a durable, all-in-one solution and fewer trips to buy spare parts. If you prefer a thorough, well-packaged kit, this is the premium practical choice. Fifth, DUMPMAN Starter Sewer Hose Kit. At about $40 to $60, the DUMPMAN kit supplies a solid starter set with hose, fittings, and caps for new RVers. It's budget-friendly and includes essentials so you can hit the road without extra purchases. If you're setting up your RV for the first time or need a simple spare, this kit is a no-fuss solution.